Okay, so exercise 57, question 2. Plot this function, y equals a half e to the minus 1.5x. This is going to be an exponential decay function because of the minus sign here. So let's again plot this on autograph. So we type in the equation, y equals, probably I could put a half in brackets, but 0.5 e to the power brackets minus 1.5 x, close brackets. So hit OK, and we get the function. There it is. We're interested in the range minus 1.5 to 1.5, minus 1.5 to 1.5. So I can focus in on that particular part of the graph quite easily by putting a box round the minus 1.5, 1.5. Now I probably missed that. Yeah, so I need to just drag it along a bit. Or if I've missed it, I can just zoom out again, so, and then start again. So let's try again, minus 1.5, here somewhere, to 1.5. So dragging the graph back down. I can't get the minus 1.5, so what I need to do is to zoom in on the y-axis, zoom out on the y-axis rather, to get the graph to flatten out a bit. And now I can see the minus 1.5 to the plus 1.5 bit. So let's go from, say, minus 2 to plus 2, and then we can get it in. If I want to focus in on the 1.5 bit, I would need to zoom in on the y-axis. So that will give me the 1.5. Zooming again on the y-axis. So minus 1.5 to plus 1.5. You can see that it's difficult to get both on this scale. So let's zoom out again on the y-axis and then focus in. That's not bad. But again, we need to use autograph to focus in. What's the value of y when x equals 0.8? Well, 0.8 is around about here, so I can zoom in on the graph on this point. And the value of x and y equals 3.5. So when y equals 3.5, which is about here, then I need to zoom in on the graph about that point. So again, I can use this zoom box in to zoom in. So when x equals 0.8, that's around about here, minus 0.8 rather, I can zoom box in on that particular bit to get my value.